think the main aha moment for me was that I didn't realize that we still don't have very good definitions of what the CNS role is or the NP role. There's better understanding about the the NP role than there is the CNS, but we've got a lot of work to do in that regard. There's no doubt in my mind, having determined for myself what the value is, that the value of both of these roles is we need both of these roles in the Canadian healthcare system. But we need to define for the policymakers, for the funders, and for the interprofessional team, and that's the very important point. The interprofessional teams really needs to understand the value of the CNS and the NP role and what they do for the patient. And the patient also needs to understand, what am I to expect for this role? I think we need to bring the policymakers together again, the policymakers, the researchers, the educators, like we did today. Very good forum today, extremely helpful. We need to bring those people together again, and we need to have an understanding that comes out of this meeting that we can help the funders understand what the value add and what the value proposition is of both of these roles. For me, I really believe that as we look at what the ministry's what their agenda is, we have to look at continuity of care for the patient from the acute care side to the home care to community. We have to be able to look at accessibility. We have to be able to look at the support for the caregivers, and how does the CNS and how does the NP fit into those roles, and help define an improvement in continuity of care and in wait times and in accessibility. That's what we need to do.